Hey guys, welcome to this new episode. Have you heard about the new ultimate gaming experience that not only takes you on a thrilling adventure, but also lets you earn real cash while you play? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, we would be talking about the play-to-earn phenomenon, the new buzz in the gaming world. At first, I can't help but question whether these games are truly sustainable and worth investing people's time and resources into. But as a curious individual, I'm intrigued by the potential of this new gaming ideas and concept. So, together, we are going to critically explore the world of play-to-earn. We would look at the technology, the concept, the sustainability, and the potential problems of this idea. So, even if you are familiar with the play-to-earn idea, this video is going to give you a very different perspective, so you better stick around. And as usual, I'm going to add a bonus just at the end of the video, so don't miss that. But before we dive deep into this, please, guys, hit that like button and help us get this video to as many people as possible on YouTube. And if you like tech and Web3 content, then subscribe to this channel. I am pretty sure you would love it here. One last thing, I would start adding people's comments in the community opinion section of our videos. So guys, take a few seconds to drop a comment under our videos, and feel free to let me know if you would like that. Now that that's out of the way, buckle up and get ready for a thought-provoking journey. First off, what exactly is play-to-earn? Play-to-earn, as the name suggests, is a concept where players can earn rewards and even real money by playing video games. These rewards can be in the form of in-game assets such as skins, weapons, and other virtual items, or even cryptocurrency that can be traded for real money. The idea behind play-to-earn is to create a gaming ecosystem where players are incentivized to spend more time playing games, and developers are incentivized to create more engaging and rewarding games. You might wonder, how the heck does this work? Fact is, the concept of play-to-earn isn't new. It has been around for quite some time, especially in the world of online multiplayer games. However, it's only in recent times that it has gained mainstream attention. One of the main reasons for this is the rise of blockchain technology. Remember, a blockchain technology is like a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner, right? Now, this same technology is used to create a decentralized gaming ecosystem where players can earn rewards and trade them without intermediaries. However, if this is still a bit buggy for you to understand, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you're playing a game of poker with your friends. You all agree to keep track of the chips using a ledger or a book, and each time someone wins a hand, they receive a certain number of chips. However, at the end of the game, these chips can be exchanged for real money. This is similar to how play-to-earn works, but instead of chips, players earn coins or tokens, and instead of a ledger, blockchain technology is used to keep track of these transactions. Sounds a little familiar? Now, while all this seems cool and rosy, here are a few things I consider to be hot water or problems for this concept. 1. The technology. From a technological perspective, play-to-earn relies heavily on the blockchain technology, which is still relatively new and can be complex to understand and use. This may limit the accessibility of play-to-earn for some gamers, as not everyone is familiar with cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. Additionally, blockchain technology is still in its early stages and is prone to some scalability issues, which could limit the growth of play-to-earn in the future. Secondly, the reward system. The biggest question and criticism of play-to-earn is the issue of reward sustainability. While the concept of earning money by playing games may seem appealing, there is a risk of oversaturation and devaluation of rewards. If too many players are earning rewards, the value of those rewards may decrease over time, which could make it more difficult for players to earn a living through play-to-earn. To illustrate this, let's use the example of a fishing village. Imagine play-to-earn is like a fishing village, and the rewards being earned are like fish in the sea. If too many people are fishing, the fish supply may become depleted, making it more difficult for everyone to catch fish and earn a living. Therefore, these reward system issues will provoke some big questions about what the owners of these games would resort to if the reward is being depleted. Because then, 1, it would become so expensive to get into the game as a starter, and 2nd, the reward of the game might not end up worth the time and resources invested into it. So, Will the game owners then resort to creating another token? Or would they create more of the same token, which might lead to an inflationary factor for the token holders? Or what exactly would be the solution to the problem? Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And like I promised, I would be adding a few bonuses for you. Let's critically look at some top 3 play-to-earn games currently in the blockchain ecosystem. One popular example of play-to-earn is the game Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players can buy and breed digital creatures called Axies, which can be then used to battle against other players. Each battle earns the player a small love potion tokens, SLP, which can be exchanged for cryptocurrency. One potential problem with Axie Infinity is the high cost of entry. Players need to purchase 3 Axies in order to start playing, and the cost of these Axies can be prohibitive for some players. But what do you think caused the high cost of entry? Well, your guess is as good as mine. Another example is the Sandbox. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world where players can buy and sell land, create and share games, and earn rewards for their creations. One potential problem with the Sandbox is the game's reliance on virtual land sales. While the game has already sold millions of dollars worth of virtual land, there is a risk that the market for these assets could become oversaturated and, of course, leading to a decline in value. Finally, we have My Neighbor Alice. My Neighbor Alice is a blockchain-based game where players can buy and sell virtual land, grow and harvest crops, and interact with other players in the virtual world. Similar to the Sandbox, there is a risk that the value for these assets could become oversaturated, leading to a decline in value as usual. These are issues that can raise a few eyebrows, but guys, let's round this up. While play-to-earn games offer many benefits, there are also potential problems associated with these games. It is important for players to consider these issues when deciding whether to invest time and money in play-to-earn games. Ultimately, the success of these games will depend on their ability to address these challenges and provide players with a fun and rewarding gaming experience. I am open to what you guys think in the comment section below. And before I go, please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I would be seeing you in the next episode.